Hello, my dear friends and viewers. Thanks for the wonderful support you have extended to my channel. That's at the first place. Spending your valuable time to view my videos till the end is highly appreciated by me. Today I have mushrooms and peas cooked in a different way. I have great liking for mushrooms and peas, and I don't mind having it in breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well. And today's recipe, I'm sure, will tempt you to try this the same as I do. Please watch the complete video. You would love it, I'm sure. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead with the video. So we have mushrooms which are sliced in half. We have peas, coriander leaves, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, green chili, and ginger. So the pan is hot and ready. The oil in it. Adding the onions into this. Stir it well. Adding salt to this so that it cooks fast. So this is the time we are going to add these garlic, green chili, ginger chopped. Now you will be surprised why all this chopped and not properly crushed. There is a big reason to this. Please watch the video till the end. You will understand why we have done this. It's time to add the tomatoes. Yeah, so now it's time to put the lid on and keep it for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So as I said, it's in a different way. Now we are going to remove this from the frying pan and keep it down for cooling for some time. So we have taken a pan and added oil to this. And this was the secret that we maintained, that cooled down gravy ingredients have been made into a paste. Adding the jeera into this, the bay leaves, and now adding the paste into this hot oil. We have to stir it well. The aroma itself talks about the great taste it's going to build. So this is how it's right now. Added turmeric to this, purely as per taste. Red chili powder. Adding some coriander powder to this. Garam masala as per taste. Dear friends, adding all these masalas and what kind of oil to be used, it's absolutely as per your taste, whether it's olive oil, butter, whether it is any kind of oil which is more prevalent in your country. And masala, we add more spices because we like it. It's absolutely your choice. You can. So time now to add some water to this. Adding a little bit of salt for taste, and we are going to close this with a lid and let it cook for a minute and a half. Now time to add the peas into this. Stir it well. So this is how it will look like. The oil is separated and the peas are cooked, but depends on the quality of the peas. It took us almost 10 minutes on low flame to cook these properly. So adding the mushroom to this now and stir it well. The mushroom is also going to release some water, so that's why we have not added any additional water to this. Now I think we need about 5 minutes of cooking more, so we are going to place the lid and let it cook. So it's all done now. Nice gravy, very good aroma, the correct amount of spices, lovely to have with bread or chapatis or even rice. Thanks a lot for viewing. Looking forward to your valuable comments. Thanks a lot. Take care.